is from YS Wigs. It's very cute, cute little bob. It's an ombre, dark roots, blue hair bob. Very, very cute, very sassy, you know. So, you want this unit? Go ahead and just keep on watching.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know I'm your girl Avis, and this is going to be a wig review from a company called YS Wigs. Yes, their packaging is fully amazing. Come in this package right here, a nice silk bag. So once you finish with your unit or your bundle that you get for them, which is, I have a wig, you can store it back in this bag. This is the packaging. 100% premium human hair. Show your beauty. And here's their telephone number, their WhatsApp, and their Skype. Packaging is amazing. They also are located on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, and I don't know what the other one is. And I got me a blue bob. And, ooh, goodies. Okay. Let's see. Let's start off with the goodies first. I got this right here, which is their tell about the company and, you know, email, contact service. You want to return something, you get that. You come with a nice nude cap to go underneath here. I will be using that. And something extra, which is actually this necklace and earring set, which is very beautiful, by the way, which I might give to my grandmother so she can wear it with her church outfit, which I like it for myself, but I like, you know, I love my grandmother a lot. And I like to give her stuff a lot. So I will try it on. Let you guys see what I got. And you just don't, they just don't send stuff to reviewers, you know, for free like this. Customers get it too. Regular customers get it. That's beautiful. And these are earrings to go with it. My grandma don't wear earrings because her ears aren't pierced, but this is very, very beautiful. So, I'm going to remove the beautiful necklace and give that to my grandma once she leaves. Giving me the blues. Now, I already started on it, but I cut the lace off. But this is the unit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and plug my flat irons up. And so I can flat iron this unit. And we'll be right back to cut the lace off. And I will, now that we have cut the lace off, this is what it looks like. Two combs at the top. One comb right here at the top of your head. And one comb in the back with adjustable straps. I have this in a 1B blue, something like that. I wanted a color. I didn't want a solid unit that was just plain Jane. So with this here, I know I want me some big earrings with this. Not just some simple diamonds, but I still look cute with the diamonds. You can part it anywhere. You can put part on the side, whatever. But this is how I have mine for right now. And I'm just going to brush. Because I had set it with some setting spray to mold it. And now I'm just going to do that so I can flat iron the hair. Okay? I don't like no real curl in my hair. I should have attached my comb. And as you see, I'm not using any type of what did you call it? Holding gel. I got to be doing anything. You would just put it on and attach your comb to your braid, and you are good to go. Should have had my other flat iron, but you can make it do what it do. Kind of put like a little band-aid in the back. So I hope everybody's having a great day today. I know I am. Just a little bump. Or you can just do it straight. To each its own. However you like your hair, wear how you like it. No matter what nobody else thinks. But remember, you are the one that has to wear it. And I think later this week I'm gonna do a side part. I think I curled that a little too much for my liking. I wanted more like a bump than a curl. And then you can go in. Okay, so I decided to add my earrings and get that little big bump out of that. Get it like a little bit more. Ouch, it's really hot now. Okay, now we bumping. A bumping. A bumpity bump. A bump, 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 a bump. Yes, come through, baby. This dark blue will be nice for fall. And then we're gonna put a little oil on it. And remember, with this, you can edit it some more. You can add your edges right there if you want to. I'm not gonna do all that today, but what I am going to do is add just a little spray at the top to knock down any frizzies I may have. Any frizzies. Yeah, I can see this. And that's the look, folks. That's the look. What do you think? You like it on me? You like the style? Is it cute? It moves nicely. Very pretty. So shout out to YS Wigs, like I said. And I will have all the information in the description box so you guys can check out. And this hair is lovely. Let y'all get a good look at that. Pull it up so you can see my part. Alrighty. That's it, you guys. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, check out the company if you want this cute bob. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.